How America accidentally trained AI to replace itself.
What if I told you that every email you've written, every form you've filled, and every click you've made online may have helped train the AI that could one day replace your job? This isn't a sci-fi theory. This is how modern AI actually learned to work. Over the last 2 decades, we slowly moved our work online. Emails replaced memos, online forms replaced paperwork, and digital systems replaced many human processes. It felt faster, smarter, and more efficient, but there was a side effect most people didn't notice at the time. All that data didn't just optimize systems, it became the training ground for artificial intelligence. AI doesn't learn like humans do. It doesn't think or understand in the way we do. It copies patterns from massive amounts of human data. Millions of customer support chats, billions of emails and documents, and countless examples of how people solve problems were fed into machines so they could learn to imitate human work. The better AI becomes, the more human behavior it needs to learn from. There's a feedback loop most people never see. Humans correct AI mistakes, those corrections become new training data, the AI improves, and then it replaces a small part of the job. That replacement creates even more data to train the next version of the AI. Over time, work quietly shifts from humans to machines. Customer support is one of the clearest examples. Humans handled millions of chats and calls, and those conversations trained chatbots. Today, many customers don't even realize they're talking to an AI. The same thing happened with content moderation, data entry, scheduling, and basic research tasks. In each case, human work became the blueprint for automation. For companies, automation means lower costs and higher productivity. For customers, it means faster and more convenient service. But for workers, it can mean fewer opportunities and shrinking entry-level roles. The uncomfortable truth is that society often benefits from efficiency even when individuals lose stability. The real question is not whether automation is good or bad, but how we adapt to it. The safest careers in the next decade will not be the ones that try to avoid technology. They will be the ones that learn to work with it. Skills like creative problem solving, strategic thinking, human communication, and using AI as a tool are much harder to automate. The future belongs to people who can guide machines instead of trying to compete with them. If you want real stories about AI, automation, and how America's work culture is changing, follow Future Files USA, because the future doesn't wait, and neither should you.